Hello, my name is Johan Wallenhorst and I'm from Voetspore. We've been traveling the African continent and beyond for the past, well, more than 20 years. And we are very, very happy to be associated with Würth and all their products. And this is just the latest in some of their fantastic power tools. Let's have a look at them. Right, this is the mcube, a range of power tools introduced by Würth. We start off with the grinder. The hammer drill. The screwdriver. Fantastic about this range is they all work with the same set of batteries. And some of the features about these batteries is that it's got a power indicator and it's got a management system that protects the power tool if it's put under strain. One of the features of this charger is that it's a quick charge. It charges a battery within 40 minutes, which implies that you can actually work continuously. Two of the features of this grinder. Number one, the dead man switch. Release it and it will stop. Furthermore, it's got a light indicator to show you when this device is under strain. Ignore it and the device will shut down. Yeah, and this is the drill electric screwdriver. Some of the features, the light indicator, 20 torque settings, and then carbide teeth that extends the life of the chuck. Yeah, this is a hammer drill. What's amazing about it is that it can drill 26 millimeters into concrete, 30 into steel, and 30 into wood. And this is the fantastic mcube triple pack from Würth. May I remind you, only available in November and there are limited stocks. I know what I want for Christmas.